You're quiet. Mm.
You know what I just ate? You know what you ate right now?
Oh no,
The thing you ate, do you want that? Like right now?
not right
Like,
now.
one?
No, later. Because I have guys awake. Little boy! What is it? Are you being noisy? Are you being noisy? Are you in your grandma? Are you in your grandma's house? Little boy! Little boy! This baby doesn't like pacifier. Like he. I'm gonna give him the pacifier and he didn't like it. Here, Lata. Here, Tata. Here. This one. Put this in your mouth. Put that in your mouth. You think it's a joke? He doesn't like pacifier. Here, Lata. Here, Lata. There. Mm.